In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a review section in Shopify Sense theme. Because Sense is an online store 2.0 theme, the easiest and most reliable way to add reviews is to use a dedicated reviews app and then place its block with the theme editor. This keeps things flexible, requires no custom code, and works nicely with the drag-and-drop sections you already use. Start by installing a reviews app from your Shopify admin. Head to Apps, open the Shopify App Store, and search for a reviews or ratings app that supports Online Store 2.0 blocks. Popular options include Judge.me, Growave, and Yotpo. Choose one that fits your needs and pricing, install it, and complete the app's basic setup. Most apps will guide you through enabling their widget, choosing star display styles, and setting rules for collecting and publishing reviews. If the app offers a quick start or onboarding wizard, follow it so the widget is ready to be placed on your storefront. Some apps also require you to enable an app embed so their code can run on your theme. If that's the case, open the theme editor, locate the app embeds panel, and toggle the embed on. For example, with Judge.me, you'll see a specific embed you can enable. Make sure you're editing the correct theme, the one you plan to use, so the toggle applies where you expect. Next, place the actual reviews block on your product template. Go to Online Store, then Themes, and click Customize. Use the top center template dropdown to switch to products and select default product or whichever product template you use. In the left panel, click Add Section or Add Block, depending on what your app provides. Open the Apps or Third-Party tab and look for the block name from your Reviews app, such as Review Widget, Star Rating, or Reviews with the app's name. Add it, then drag it into the position you want. Many stores place star ratings near the product title and the full Reviews widget below the description. When you're happy with the layout, click Save. Finally, test and publish. View a product on your storefront and confirm the reviews section appears. If you don't have reviews yet, you'll usually see an option to write a review or a 0-star display, depending on your app's settings. If something doesn't show, double-check that the app embed is enabled and that the block was added to the correct template. When everything looks good, publish the theme if you were working on a draft, and you're done. Your Sense theme now has a clean, fully integrated reviews section.